here. It's finally here. Be careful with my baby. No, that's my baby.
That's not your baby, that's your box.
I ordered their newest album, Map of the Soul 7, and it's finally here.
I'm sorry.
It's so beautiful. Don't touch my baby.
That's not your baby.
Hold on.
Hold
Hold on. Don't touch it. I'll be right back. Don't touch it. I got me some gloves. No fingerprint. It's that precious. Wow. How beautiful is that?
What's that?
It's BTS. Wow. Look at this amazing thing. Here we go. Oh my god. That's so beautiful. The crease. Oh my god. Look at these men. Wow. Stare right into my soul. Hi, Jimin. Hi. The notes. It's in Korean, so I can't read that. Map of the Soul. Okay, this is the lyric book. And their signature at the back. What is this? Oh. It is stickers. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to flip this out. What? It's in a piece of paper. I'm gonna slide it out. Don't really want to break that sticker, so I'm just gonna slide it out. And I thought it would be like a hard cover, but it's actually just paper. Wait, what is this? Okay, wait. I thought it was a book, but okay, it comes apart. Posters. Don't touch.
Can I see a BTS song?
Yeah, it does BTS song. We're gonna listen to card. Amazing. Put it back in there.
You gonna show it to Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.